Hi, and welcome to C-Suite Tuesdays. AI has evolved to capture the world by storm, and for most are not fully prepared to embrace the capabilities of how it can truly transform the way we do business. Have you given thought to how AI is reshaping the business landscape? Today, I will speak on 5 ways AI is reshaping the business landscape. Number 1. Enhanced decision making. AI algorithms can process vast data sets in real time, providing invaluable insights and empower executives to make more informed and precise decisions. Number 2, customer-centric personalization. AI enables businesses to tailor their products and services to individual customer preferences. Number 3, streamlined operations and cost reduction. AI-driven automation optimizes repetitive tasks, reducing the need for manual labor and minimizing errors. Number 4, predictive maintenance. AI predictive maintenance systems can monitor machinery and equipment in real time, detecting anomalies and potential failures before they occur. And finally, number 5, risk mitigation and fraud detection. AI can sift through vast volumes of data to identify unusual patterns or behaviors that may indicate fraud or security breaches. These are just 5 ways AI is reshaping the business landscape. If your enterprise would like to learn how to optimize some of these AI-driven technologies, DM me direct. For more InfoTech insights for C-Suite, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trinity Strategic Consulting, Inc. Thank you. See you next week for C-Suite Tuesdays.